Good morning, everybody. This is Adya Mishra from B.Ed second semester, and the topic today for the presentation is bank. Now, I will be starting with the origin of bank and talking about the origin of bank. So, the word bank was derived from the French word banque and Italian word banco, which means benches. So in the early times, there were the benches arranged where people used to deposit their money or borrow money. So historically, the concept of bank was tied to trust and public transactions. Now, as the evolution occurred, the bank was represented as an institution managing money and credit. Now, talking about the meaning of bank, so the simple meaning is that it accepts deposit from the public and lends money to the public. This is the simple meaning of bank. And if we talk about in detail, so it is an institution that deals in money and its substitutes. It is related with the money, provides other money related services, and acts as a financial intermediary by accepting deposits and making loans. So the crux of bank is accepting deposits and making loans. Talking about the definition of a bank, so as per Karen Cross, bank is a financial intermediary institution which deals in loans. It lends money to the public and advances. And according to W. Hawke, bank is such an institution which creates money by money only. Now, moving on to the functions of bank. So the primary functions of bank is accepting deposits and granting loans. Now, deposits could be of any deposits. It could be either saving deposits, fixed deposits, or any deposits. The primary function of bank is to accept deposits and grant loans to the public. And the secondary function is the services that bank render to the public. It could be like agency services or utility services. Now, the talking about the functions of bank, so it's the same thing, accepting deposits. It acts as a safe place for both individuals and businesses to deposit their money. The second is lending money. It lends loans for personal needs, business purposes, housing, and other requirements. Facilitating transactions, it enable payments and transfers through online and mobile banking, that is through NEFT, RTGS. NEFT means National Electronic Funds Transfer, RTGS means real time gross settlement, etc. Foreign exchange services. So this is also another function of bank, that it it assist customers in buying, selling, or exchanging foreign currencies. Safe deposit locker, you can keep the valuable and documents, like you can keep the property papers or any important documents in the locker, so it acts as a safe deposit locker. Investment services, it also offers financial products such as mutual funds, insurance, and other investment options. Now, talking about the types of banks, so we have central bank, that is RBI, commercial bank, cooperative banks, development banks, and specialized banks. Okay, the our concern for now being is not on the types of banks, so I will not be discussing that in detail. It was just to give you an idea, so I talked about the types. And talking about the importance of banks, so importance of banks could be the same, like it offer the safe deposit locker, then granting of credit, creation of credit, and like the functions that you read, you could include them in the importance as well. Now, apart from the functions, the other points could be employment opportunities. It provides careers in the banking field. Then it acts as a safe house, providing security for people's money. And that's it for